Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today I'll be showing you how to make lemon flavored vettu cakes at home. It is a very simple recipe and I hope you like it. If you're new here, karibu sana, kindly consider subscribing and let's get started by going over the ingredients. So I'll be using oil, sugar, all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda, 1 egg, vanilla essence and 1 lemon. Also, I have listed all the quantities of all the ingredients on that side, so kindly take a screenshot if you need to refer later. And in the next step, just start mixing the dry ingredients together, and that is all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda. Give it a mix and then sift just to get rid of any lumps or any dirt that would be present in the flour. And then set that aside, start mixing the wet ingredients. Take a small bowl, add oil, then add vanilla essence. Next, add 1 egg, and then add sugar, and then take the lemon, cut it into 2 and then squeeze out the juice from the lemon. Be sure to sieve the juice so that to get rid of the lemon seeds. And at this point also, if you like lemon zest, you can grate the lemon just to get the lemon zest, but I did not do that, but it's completely okay to do that. Then if you got lemon essence at hand, also you can add it to this mixture. Give it a good mix until all the ingredients come together. And after mixing everything, now add the mixture into the dry ingredients. The idea is to make a soft dough. And also guys, I have added 1 cup of flour at first, but later on I added a half cup. That's why in total I used 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I wasn't sure if I would need the extra half, but later on I added it because although we need a soft dough, still the vettu cakes need to be tougher than mandazi, so it doesn't have to be extremely soft like the mandazi dough. Then transfer to a surface, continue kneading, knead as much as you can, and this is how to test if the dough is ready. Once you pinch with a finger, it bounces back. Now cover the dough, leave it for 30 to 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, the dough is ready for the next step. Just get it out of the bowl, then roll it, making a large strip like shown on the video. Now cut like shown, just into the sizes that you'd like the cakes to be. And vettu cakes, they have a design on the side, on the top side, and this is how I did mine. Just take a knife and cut an X, just cut it diagonally like shown. And you can be creative, do as you wish, as you like, as you prefer. That's what I did with mine, just an X. And this one I only did 1 plus sign, and that's because I had seen it somewhere online, but do what you wish guys and what you desire. Then do that to all the remaining cakes, and after that fry them in cold oil guys, in low flame, so that remember that the dough is very thick. They are very thick inside, and if you cook it at high flame, the vettu cakes will not cook on the inside. So be sure to cook on very low flame and also use cold oil. I also realized that cooking them in cold oil kinda makes them very crunchy, and I have done this recipe like twice before and I loved them. That's why I shared. Continue cooking, checking if they are okay. And like you can see, something is happening. They are starting to turn color. Now when the lower part now turns golden brown, turn to the other side just to cook evenly, and so that to get a golden brown color, guys. It takes time to cook the vettu cakes because remember they are thick inside, so be patient, keep checking them until they are ready. And after they are completely golden brown, well cooked on the inside, they are ready to serve. And guys, they are super delicious. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, kindly hit that subscribe button, the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try it out, and I wish you all a good time.